Are you constantly ruining your clothes in the laundry? My name's Kate with WTI, and these laundry bags from Mamlyn are going to be a game changer. So this comes in a set of 5. It's really convenient. The small ones are great for things like bras, underwear, even socks if you find that you're losing them. This will keep the pairs together and it'll protect your delicates. The medium size, workout clothes, lacy tops, anything that you don't want to get snagged or tangled, even swimsuits, things like that. And then the larger size is great for maybe small throw blankets or dresses or anything that you don't want to have damaged. The mesh fabric makes it so that it washes really easily whatever's inside. It keeps it from getting caught up in the agitator or with other clothing, and it keeps it from the doom of the washing machine, that endless pit where I don't know where the socks go, but somehow things get lost. They have a really nice zipper closure too, easy to use. It's just another laundry companion that'll make washing your clothes a little bit easier, and that's my point of view.